think there's three main ways organisations can identify training needs when introducing our AI into their organisations. I think firstly, they need champions, so those people that will advocate for the technology and help show people how to best use that technology, whether it's simple AI tools like ChatGPT or Copilot that really help introduce efficiency, or more complex AI technology. So having those advocates will really help embed that training. I also think it comes down to the culture of the organisation. Organisations must embed a culture of change and acceptance within the organisation. AI is going to transform the world and it's going to transform organisations. That's not hyperbole, it is going to change how we work, how we operate. So the culture has to be accepting of that. And then finally, I think the AI Council. So AI councils within organisations have a really key role to play. And part of that remit of the AI Council is to look within their departments to understand in the next 24 months how AI is going to change their roles and organisations. And from there, they can identify the sort of training needs required. I think upskilling staff is absolutely paramount in terms of organisations getting the most out of AI. And whether it's really sort of simple, holistic training around best prompts and best practice around prompts for large language models like ChatGPT, but also ensuring that staff and colleagues are aware that they have to have a critical mind and a critical analysis of the output of some of the AI tools. So it's understanding how best to try and inform the output, but then actually being able to assess the output as well. But I think fundamentally, what is the most important element is embedding that culture of embracing AI and embracing what it can do for your organisations and your customers. Again, I think for a digital-first mindset, it's absolutely critical that organisations encourage that, but also sort of train it into their staff. AI is going to transform how we work, how we operate. It's completely different software to traditional software. And it has the capacity and the intelligence to think and help create answers and create better services and so on and so forth. And therefore, as we move forward, AI has become fundamental to all organisations, and therefore people have to have that digital mindset in terms of embracing technology, understanding technology, and being able to assess the technology. I think ensuring buy-in for artificial intelligence is absolutely critical, and the culture and the people will enable that buy-in. But what organisations need to do to embed that culture is there's a few things. I think they need to really articulate what their organisation's ethics policy is and how that drives how they use and develop artificial intelligence. But also having a facility whereby the organisation can identify where AI will play a role in their organisation. So for example, at Mobysoft, we have an Artificial Intelligence Council, and that has representation across the business. And the purpose for that is so we can engage with staff, understand where our AI can actually help in terms of how we deliver our services, how we operate, and sort of help deliver efficiencies. But also understand that actually how we're using it is driven by our own ethics policy.